Thank you very much for joining us. Speak to us on our socials at KBC Channel 1. My colleague Muchuma Odim is still away, but I'm on set with our sign language interpreter, Lucy Mwaura. Now, we begin with our lead story. The Cabinet has endorsed the Quality Healthcare and Patient Safety Bill 2025, which seeks to transform the health sector by eliminating entrenched impunity and malpractices. The endorsement came Tuesday during a cabinet meeting chaired by President William Ruto at State House, Nairobi. The cabinet also approved the recommendations from the Presidential Taskforce on religious organizations, which aims to safeguard the integrity of religious practice while curbing exploitation. My name is Tom Boya, and that's the report that opens our coverage tonight.
Tuesday's cabinet sitting endorsed the Quality Healthcare and Patient Safety Bill 2025, which seeks to eliminate systemic fraud, regulatory loopholes and conflicts of interest that have for long undermined healthcare delivery and public trust. It further responds to glaring gaps that have allowed unqualified and fraudulent health facilities to be licensed and to operate. The Cabinet also approved recommendations from the Presidential Taskforce on Religious Organizations, a landmark to safeguard the integrity of religious practice while curbing exploitation. The proposed reforms, developed in response to the Shakahola tragedy, place religious leaders at the center of accountability efforts, emphasizing self-regulation over state control. Key proposals include enacting a legal framework to govern religious organizations, establishing a Religious Affairs Commission, and strengthening umbrella faith organizations for coordination. To address pending bills, the Cabinet approved further measures to accelerate momentum in the road sector. This builds on the successful rollout of the road financing policy through the securitization of the Road Maintenance Levy Fund, which has already disbursed 64.2 billion shillings, settling 40% of verified contractor claims of 575 contracts covering 393 projects. The Cabinet was further briefed on Kenya's readiness to host the 2024 African Nations Championship CHAN, a historic milestone as it marks the first time in over 40 years since 1987 All-Africa Games that the country is hosting a continental sporting event. Harambee Stars, currently in full residential training under a new technical team, are placed in Group A alongside Angola, DR Congo, Morocco and Zambia. The team recently received a morale boost during a visit by the President to the Moi International Sports Centre Kasarani training facility. Security measures are in place with CAF-trained police and National Youth Service stewards deployed. The government has reiterated Kenya's readiness to host and secure a successful CHAN 2024. Yusufar reporting for Prime Edition.